Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, I gotta go. Everybody's watching. I didn't realize the camera was on. I gotta go. I'll talk to you later. I love you, Maddie. Bye. Hey, it's Monday. You guys caught me off guard again. You guys are pros at this. Welcome back to Faithfully Bearded. I'm Tyson. Let's get a video going, right? Right? We got coffee. You know we gotta start with coffee. While I do that, we got Bang. I got my Bang energy drink here. Star Blast is my favorite. We're gonna hashtag Bang. We're gonna get them in here. I guess I won't hashtag them. I'll just tag them in it. We're gonna get them going. We hashtag the man-main. Hashtag man-main. Hashtag man-main. On Instagram, the hashtag is, it's a picture I took. It's always a picture I took because I hashtag it so much. I take it over. Anyway, welcome back. It's Monday. In this video, we're going to unbox a new company. I'm going to tell you which company we are working with this week, which company I'm going to be wearing all week in the man-main, which company we're going to have a giveaway for Friday night in the Bearded Devotional, which company is going to have a review, and which company I'm going to try to go live with on my Instagram. So we're going to take over the interwebs this week, and I hope you guys are a part of it. Thank you for being here. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that like, follow me on Instagram, and watch the intro real quick, and we're going to get into it, all right? Be right back. All right, we're back. Thank you. So, we got a box today. Woo! Do you see that right there? Oh, is it upside down? Now it's the right way, right? Baarden. The Baarden out of Canada. So this come Canada Post right here. This is the biggest box he's ever sent, I believe. I don't know. But we're going to get the trusty old Hobby Lobby razor blade, because this is what I use every week. I'd be lost without this razor blade. We're going to look at how the box opens up here, and I'm just going to start slicing some tape. We're going to dig into this for you guys. You guys know, so it's April. We donate usually our likes for our unboxings every week to charity. Well, we're kind of took a vote on Instagram, and you guys voted to go all week, all month long to autism awareness, because it's Autism Awareness Month. So we're going all month long. We're going to let this all pile up. We're going to collect the likes at the end of the month for all the unboxing videos. And that's how we're going to roll. So I'm struggle busting trying to get this box open. I'm figuring it out though. So we're just kind of getting in here. Let's see what we got. All right. So this probably isn't how you open a box. It's probably not. But let's just give you a side profile. Look at all that. Aubrey's gonna have fun. She's gonna earn money this week. I gotta figure out how this box opens the correct way, because I feel like there's a flapper on the top, and I don't want to be digging in there. I want to show you guys the presentation. So I feel like maybe the part of the box that said Baarden is the lid. I bet Baarden didn't think a professional YouTube unboxer like myself would struggle with this. But that is the top, where it says Baarden is the top. We open it up. Check this out. Handcrafted just for you. That's what's printed on the lid there. You have some tissue paper with the Baarden color blue. We got a couple business cards, it looks like, and the sticker holding the tissue paper shut. So let's just look in here real quick. So this one right here, have a good beard day, Baarden. Thank you. If you've enjoyed your purchase, please make sure to follow and tag us at the Baarden. It's been our pleasure. So that's what it says on this side here. Then we got a business card. Adam McGuire, beard owner. A man dreamt of creating handcrafted small batch beard care products. He did, and he felt good. Baarden. This is pretty cool. I love the simplicity and the way that they do their name and their logo so far from what I'm seeing here. So we're going to unwrap this. Boom. Boom. Alright, so we got it there. We got a "Trust Me, Your Beard Wants This" card. A little handwritten note from him here. And this says, Tyson, thank you so much for taking a chance on my new company. I hope these products treat you, your beard well, and that you love them as much as I do. I'm looking forward to your feedback, and I'm honored that you can be the first official Baarden review. Talk soon. So, I am gonna review Baarden, and I reached out to him and said, I'm gonna order everything you got. I'm gonna place a big order. I'm gonna do a review on it, and we're gonna spend a week with Baarden. So, I purchased everything he has. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You know what we do. Aubrey's gonna get to clean that up. There's a lot of this crinkle paper in here. This is awesome. I love this. So here, let's just look at the presentation right here. Look at those oils and balms and butters and washes in there. Nice and pretty with the fuzzy crinkle paper grass stuff that Aubrey likes to clean up. It's stuck on my shirt. It sticks to everything. So when you throw it on the ground, if you're gonna get crazy like me and throw it on the ground, have a kid to clean it up. Your wife, if you have a wife or a girlfriend, she won't be too happy if she has to clean it up. So, men, clean up after yourself or pay your kid to do it. Advice for the day. So the first thing I pull out is a small batch beard wash. Take a look at this bottle. This is a 4-ounce bottle. Look at this label. This company is on point with design. I love this. It's really neat. Really classy, I feel like. Made in Canada, Baarden.com. You got some directions in here. You got some ingredients. And this is Moroccan Spice and Orange. Alright, so Moroccan Spice and Orange. I'm just going to open this up. Wowzers. I definitely get some spice and orange. Like, I don't know what the difference between Moroccan spice and regular spice is, but this has a good smell. This kind of reminds me of, like, marshmallow a little bit. Not 100% sure. Maybe, like, the marshmallow scent. But I like it. I like that. The next thing I grab out of here, same thing. We got a beard wash. We got a beard wash. So I'm gonna have to figure out if this is like a beard wash that's supposed to be used like every day, like a co-wash, if it's a actual co-wash, or if it's more like a twice a week like wash that's gonna get rid of all the oils in my beard. Which I'll find out. I'll ask him and then I'll try it out and let you guys know. So this one here is Spearmint, Pine, and Musk. So check out that label. Really, again, nice label. Feels like they might be waterproof. We're gonna find out in the shower, right? Oh, I like this scent. Nice and classy. Nice and classy scent. I definitely get the Spearmint and the Musk. Alright? Get the Spearmint and the Musk. Alright. So, next thing we're gonna grab out of here. Next thing I see. Next thing my beady little eyes see, faithfully bearded eyes, is a beard oil. So here you go. Check that out. Beard oil. Look at that label. All the way around. You get the gorgeous blue bottles that you know I love. The oil looks yellow to me. So if we're going to hold it up, you guys can't really see that. But you got this gorgeous white label with his design on it. This is the Moroccan Spice and Citrus. You have the blue bottle. The oil, I'm going to say, is going to be yellow because I can see that green hue that these bottles produce when you get a blue bottle and a yellow oil. So look at that. There's the oil. It is like a gold. Let me just see if I can kind of tell what type of thickness it is. It seems like a thinner oil to me. Seems thin, which there's nothing wrong with that. Alright, so the Moroccan Spice and Citrus, it smells just like the wash, right? So it smells like that marshmallow scent to me. It smells like that marshmallow scent. So I'm just going to look in here and see if I can find the matching, let's get it over here. Can you guys see that? The matching beard butter. So then you have the nice label going all the way around. You got a glass jar, black twist top lid. This is the butter. So when I press into it, I'm trying to think of who it reminds me of as a beard butter. It's kind of, so it's soft, but it's not like a whipped butter. This is more like a balm butter, right? Same exact scent. I don't smell anything else other than the scent in it. I don't smell any of the butters or anything like that, which I love. I don't smell the beeswax or anything. I really like that. I really, really, really like that. The next thing I pull out is the same scent, but this is the balm. So I'm going to be interested to see. You got the same container, the glass container here. You got the awesome label that he does. This is the Moroccan Spice and Citrus again, right? So when I open it up and I look in here, definitely a different texture. Definitely. Like this is, you don't need a pick at all. You don't need a pick, but this is a heavier feeling balm. Let me just, I want to see how this emulsifies in my hand real quick, just for fun. Like I'm not going to put it in my beard because I already got product in, but I want to see how it feels in my hand. So it'll emulsify it up really good. I think this is going to be more of a holding balm. Like this is closer to the heavier side where you almost need a pick, but you don't. So I'm really interested to see how that's going to hold up in the beard. I like thicker balms and how they hold. So I'm really interested in that. The next thing I pull out, Frankincense and Sandalwood. So here you got the awesome label, awesome design, the blue bottle. This is Frankincense and Sandalwood. You know I'm not a big fan of sandalwood, so this might get a little interesting. This might get interesting. Not a huge fan of sandalwood, alright? We all know that because you watch my videos. But this isn't bad. This is not bad at all. I'm actually gonna wear this and try it out. Like, you don't get a big overwhelming sandalwood. You get frankincense, which is nice. I don't mind frankincense. You don't get overwhelming sandalwood, which is nice for me because I'm not a big sandalwood fan. So I like that. It's not what I thought it was gonna be. It's different, and I like that. I like that a lot. The next thing I'm gonna grab out of here is the Spearmint, Pine, and Musk. So let's just go around. Same label, the beard oil, but it says Spearmint, Pine, and Musk on it. So that's the scent profile. We'll shake it up a little bit. I like to just go like this with the dropper. You just got your standard black droppers on here. I'm gonna squeeze it out and then give it a full pump and see. As you can see here, we went pretty much almost full. I don't use that much oil, but let me dump it out here. And we'll just give it one full squeeze, stick it in, see how much it fills up, a little over halfway. So Spearmint, Pine, and Musk. This one I get a little bit more musk in than I get Spearmint. Like with the wash, I got a little bit more Spearmint. And the oil I don't, but I do have some of that other butter on my hands and the other balm on my hands, so I could be getting some different scents from that. But I do definitely smell the musk a little bit more in the oil. And then I have a butter for that Spearmint, Spearmint, Pine, and Musk as well. So this is the butter. Yeah, see, this I get a little bit more of the mint in as well. And then I also have the balm for that. So I didn't order the sandalwood balm because I'm not a huge fan of sandalwood. So I have 2 scents in oil, butter, balm. I have 2 scents in washes, and then I have the 3rd scent in just an oil. So I'll try it out in my beard and see how it feels. I might mix and match a balm and a scent towards the end of the week just for fun. But I want to wear the traditional oil balm in the day, and then I'll use the butter at night, see how it feels. I'll use the wash. I'm going to clarify if it's a co-wash, if it's a wash that I'm supposed to use every day, or how it all goes. Let me just check out this balm. It's the same consistency as the other. Again, I get the Spearmint scent, which I like. I'd rather have that scent to be the flowing one, especially since it's the first on there. That's what's in the box, so this is what's left. We got the flaps that we fold over here. This would be normally like this if you open it the correct way. This is the presentation. Very, very nice presentation. For coming from Canada, it was really, really fast shipping. I ordered it, he got to work on it, and got it sent out. So that was really awesome. I love the containers. The packaging is on point. The delivery was on point. So like the presentation when you first open it, super on point. It was nice. I showed it to you guys. These containers are awesome. I love these jars for my balm and butter with the twist top lids. I feel like they keep them fresher longer. I feel like they stack better. They go better on my shelf. They look nicer. I mean, you just throw this up there and you look, it looks nicer than the tins, I think. I have nothing against the tins. I just like the way these look. And then we got the nice blue on the bottles, the nice design labels. So that's the Baarden unboxing and first impressions and experiment unboxing and I guess first impressions, like what I just said, right? We're gonna dig in. I'm gonna wear this all week long. You're gonna see me up on Instagram posting pictures. He does this thing like where in the world is Baarden, and Baarden in the world, Baarden in the wild on Instagram. So I'm gonna be traveling. I'm gonna get some pictures with that. I'm gonna post them up on Instagram and tag him. And we're gonna light it up this week. Hopefully I can get him on Instagram to go live with me. We're gonna just do it up this week with Baarden here. I'm gonna test these out all week. Me and Maddie will do some lives. Friday we'll be back with a review. We're gonna give some of this stuff away Friday night so you guys can get your hands on the Baarden. And we are gonna have a fantastic week. And I hope you guys all have a fantastic week. That's what we do. So grab your coffees, grab your bang. Head over to Instagram, hit up hashtag manmain, hit up hashtag UBU, and remember everybody, this is a brotherhood, a sisterhood. You be who you are, make sure it's positive and uplifting, and we welcome everybody in with open arms. Go watch everybody else's YouTube videos and comment on them, like them, help them out with their business. Help these companies out, order their products. And let's not bash anybody. Let's just have a good old fun time and be one big happy family. So grab your coffee, grab your bang, stroke your man mane, and until next time, God bless you all.